Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a while back, actually kind of a couple months ago, I started a monochromatic series and I did blue and I did green and then I didn't continue. So the next color was going to be orange. We're going to go ahead and do that today. I do use white in these because white can give you those lighter shades that you won't get otherwise. I don't generally add black, but on some of these I might. So I have a pretty orange yellow here. And these are colors I've mixed up with some different ones. This is just orange. It's a nice bright orange. Here I have a metallic orange from Arteza. Trying to use kind of a variety here. And then I've got a very red orange. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit more white. This is just an 8x10 canvas. Don't need too much paint. Maybe another ounce or so. I really like this yellow orange. And I've been doing all of these as flip cups. So I'm going to do that again. If you didn't see my earlier ones, I'll post the links in the description so you can check out those. And I think I was going to do purple next, but if anyone has another suggestion, let me know. And all I'm trying to do here is do paintings with various shades of the same color. And I'm not sure, I kept the other two paintings. I haven't sold them. I'm not sure if I want to put them together in a series or what, but I'll do a few more and then I guess decide. So here we go. Ooh. I've come to really like orange more over the last year or so. So this side, love. This side, not so much, at least not yet. But actually looks like we do have some fun reactions coming up. And move this around. Just going to help on these edges here. I don't want to tilt too much of this off over here, so I really like it. All right, there we go. So I'm going to let this sit here for a little while. We'll see anything that develops. Definitely have some cells coming through, and I'll bring you all in for a close-up. Okay, we're back. So definitely some cell action coming in through here and some fun other little reactions. I actually really like this. I feel like it's like a close-up of the sun or something. Let's go ahead and do a close-up. All right. So see some of these red cells popped up in there, which I think is awesome. And we have some really fun kind of muted lacing in there. Love this part over here. There's more of that fun kind of pattern. So there you guys go. The orange monochromatic painting. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and please let me know your suggestions for the next one. If you would like to see, I guess I'm leaning towards red, which will be a little more difficult because we don't want to end up with a bunch of pink, so I'm going to have to get a bit creative with that. But I'm leaning towards red or purple. Let me know what you vote for, and I will see you all next time.